All right, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is February 9th, 2026, and I took M&Q longs for a little under $1,000. And this is the trade I took. It's already past 5, so the P&L is obviously away. I think it was like 350 or 360 times 3, so a little under 1,000. I only traded on one account because I'm resetting my toss-up account, so I'm going to get 5 new ones, and I'm also hopping on Lucid. Either way, I took longs. I posted it on my story so you can see the P&L there if you want, or on my Discord or TikTok, whatever. Either way, going to the day, I called this out in my Discord. I told you we're gonna go long. I told you we're hitting London highs. I told you we're hitting Asia highs. I've been right the last week, so that's why you should join the Discord. That's why you should join the exclusive. If you want real results, if you want real signals, there you go. Regardless of the fact, coming into the day, what did I see on the 4 hour? Let's mark out market open right here. Perfect. I might be retarding. There you go. Okay, coming into the day on the four on the 4 hour, what did I see? I saw that we just inversed this bullish gap right here to the upside. So that was a signal that we're going higher. I saw that the last change in state of direction was to the upside after this bullish candle closed over this bullish candle. So we had a CISD on the 4 hour to the upside. We had a 4 hour inverse, and then we just tapped into this 4 hour gap right here, and we started to see a rejection off of it. So then from there, I scaled down to the 1 hour. I saw the same thing. I saw that we're turning upwards. I saw a little retrace, and then I saw that bounce. I saw this wick, and I knew we are gonna bounce from there. And then what I see, I'm like, okay, what are our targets higher? So I saw we had Asia highs right here, and then we had London highs right here. So going into the day, on the 5 minute, we opened, and what do? We perfectly swept the sell side liquidity. Go to the hourly, and then we filled in this hourly gap right under it. So we got our manipulation. We got a rejection, and from there I wanted to see the highest time frame inversion of the manipulation leg, which happens to be a 1 minute fair value gap. So the manipulation leg was the leg that took out the sell side from here to here. And what was the highest time frame inversion? It was this 1 minute. I entered two contracts. The first one I entered was after we got this 1 minute CISD, this 1 minute inverse, and we also left this big wick. So I knew we wanted to go higher, but I wasn't as confident in the trade because we were still pretty low. So I wanted to honestly get a change in the state over this candle. So my first contract was entered around right here. My second one I entered around over here. So it averaged out to like right here somewhere. I drew this out again because this was like in the morning, but this was pretty much what the trade was. And then my break even was this internal high, so we hit it. We chopped around. This trade took like nearly an hour because of the chop. We came here. I put my break even. We chopped around, and then we eventually hit full TP for a little less than 1,000. So not a bad day at all. Pretty simple. Pretty sure it went up the whole day. You also could have caught this nice retrace into the 5 minute, and then we had a 3 minute inverse break even at these highs and TP wherever. It doesn't really matter. We went up and just consolidation. But yeah, that's it for today.